Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chrisophobia and today we're staying overnight in a forest once again, but this time we're staying overnight in a place called Whispering Pines, which is the name of this game. It's a nature park which has been linked to a bunch of missing person cases that have happened overnight on camping trips. So yeah, that sounds pretty spooky, so let's see if we can actually survive the night in a forest this time. And yeah, let's get right into it. Here we are, a gray swintail, Whispering Pines. Now, I believe this is the same creature that is the Rake, so I'm expecting a pretty similar design here. But this map already looks insanely good and very creepy. Oh. Whoa. Okay, let's head into this cabin here. What is that? It looks like an axe handle, so I was like, wait a second. Can we, wow, this looks really good. That looks like a reference to Ironbark Lookout. Ugh, that's gross. Yeah, no thanks. You know what? Let's close that door. Okay, can we find any weapons? Ooh, a guitar. Very nice, very nice. Crowbar. Wait. Ooh. Oh, it looks very useful. Whispering Pines National Park. 1926. Very cool. This place looks very mysterious and I like that. Okay, let's investigate the park further, and then if we need, we'll run back to this cabin. Oh, there's a lake. Hello, Jason. Hopefully not. That would not be good. There's two of these up here. What are these, bathrooms? Or shit. Oh, I think it's nightfall. Oh yeah. Okay, let's head back. I mean, we have a weapon, so we should be fine. Oh my gosh, this place is spooky. I would never go to a park like this. Well, maybe, but I mean, we're here now, but we're already aware that there is a creature lurking in the forest. Oh, I like this room. Some fish. Deer. What was that? Oh, let's get out of here. We can just use this. Alright, we formed ourselves a nice group here. He's got a spiked bat. That's pretty elite. Oh, it got dark in here. This game's, like, graphics are very good. Oh, that's probably for stamina. Learned that from Residence Mask. Oh. Oh, it is Jason. Okay. Let's defend ourselves. I hit it. Oh my gosh, I hit it. Oh, hope I can't run. Go! No! Go! Oh my gosh, I'm on life support. Oh my goodness. Let's go. That is so creepy. Oh my gosh, that has got to be the creepiest design of the Rake yet. Oh, we're out of stamina. It's okay. Let's go up here. Oh my gosh, that thing is creepy. Sir, you might want to watch your back. Okay. You never know when it's just gonna, come out of the shadows. Oh my goodness. Let's turn this on. I want to be able to see if that thing's coming. Oh my days, that thing is so creepy. For a Roblox horror game, this game has very good graphics, I will say. That Rake looks a little, like, too real. Okay, let's head down. I think we'll be fine. I don't think it's in the area. Never mind. It is most indefinitely in the area. Oh my goodness, where did it go? What is that? Was that the monster? Why is it? That sounds very terrifying. I am really nervous. Where is it? Okay. We should probably go back to the camp. What is this over here? I'm so scared. I don't want it to just like jump out at me. Yeah, I could like literally can't see 10 feet in front of me, so we should probably go back to the light. This tower like never seems to be safe though, so one way up, one way down unless you jump, so I mean it's really not that safe, but okay, I actually don't think he's in the area anymore. Our whole like little group here is, you know, it's pretty big. Go. I'm not staying near that. Yeah, no, I'm going. That is sincerely okay. Yeah, I'll be alright. Is that another tower? Okay, we need to catch our breath here. What is that? I just saw eyes. Go. No, we need to go up this tower immediately. I saw a pair of white eyes. Okay, I like the first person. This is nice. Oh, I can see. Is that a camp? Wait, let's head over there. I don't want to be stuck at this tower and it comes over here again. Oh, it is so dark. Okay, there we go. Our light's good. Yeah, I like this first person action here. Here's another survivor. The well, the infamous well, I remember this. Oh, we can walk over. Oh. That doesn't seem possible, but... Oh, here's the lake. This is the lake from earlier. Wow, this is very scenic. I am enjoying the scenery here, this setting. But I'm also terrified because I don't know if that thing's just gonna pounce on us. What is that? That money? Oh yeah, it's credits. Credits. Nice. Oh, is this the cabin? Yeah, okay. That's good. Let's grab this med kit. I think that's what, yeah, med kit. Okay, everything seems to be fine. I'm like getting a weird feeling, like I don't know what is in these forests. Well, I do, but like I don't know where he is, and it's making me really nervous. Okay, we have some more survival. Oh, are you okay, sir? Yeah, let's not go near the fire. So far, we've only encountered the monster 2 times, which is good. We gotta survive the night. I don't like how they're all sprinting over here. I feel like it's coming. Okay, yeah, what is happening? Do you need help, sir? Oh my gosh, run. Go back to the camp. Is he still chasing us? I see eyes. Oh my gosh, please. No, please tell me you guys see that too. That little white spark. Yeah, no, that's okay. I'm gone. Where are these? The trail of Murky Lake. Let's just go to the trail, I guess. Oh my gosh, we might actually pass out because, we're using too much energy. Oh my gosh, it's daytime. Wait, I think we actually survived the night. Yes, let's go. Oh yeah. Hey, at least this time we actually were able to survive the night in the forest. But yeah, and finishing it off at the lake here. But that was awesome. That was pretty scary. I enjoyed that, and that creature design is one of the scariest I have seen yet in these games. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was very fun and just, surviving the night in the forest. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.